Hello friends, in this video we will cover one more interview question. So it was related for the constructor. So I have created the video for the constructor. So we will see how it's working, how constructor will work, and we will see the questions related to the constructor. So we will see what is a constructor in Java. So this is for experience as well as freshers. So this is a most asked interview question. So if you are preparing for the interview, please also cover the constructor in Java. So what is constructor? So constructor is a special method having the same name of the class and executed while object creation process. Because the constructor call is available in object creation syntax attached with a new keyword. So while declaring constructor, we must not use return type because constructor will have class return type. What is the structure of a constructor? So in constructor, we will create a class name, parameter list, and method body. So this is the structure of a constructor. By example, we will also see, but firstly look into this. So based on parameter, the constructor are categorized into two types. So, so based on parameters, the constructors are categorized into two types. So we have two types of constructor. Is what is the type of constructor? So first one is constructors without parameter, which constructor is called zero parameter constructor or constructor with parameters. So what is constructors without parameters? The constructor which are declared without parameter known as zero parameter constructor or constructor with parameters. And what is constructor with parameters? So the constructor which are declared with parameters are known as parameterized constructor or constructor with parameters. And what is the difference between constructor and instance method? So constructor executed while object creation process, what instance method executed after object creation process. Constructor executed only once while object creation process, but instance method can be executed any number of times after object creation process. So firstly, we will see how to create a constructor. What is the structure we show in this video, but we will try to make an example of a constructor. So quickly open the Eclipse IDE. Here I will create one class. I will write the class name demo con1. So here I have created demo constructor class. So we have created class like this. Now we will create constructor here. So constructor name should be same as a class name. So copy this, paste over here, and we will create a constructor. Sorry. So this is the structure of a constructor. Class name same it as a method name. So if anyone create a constructor, then method name should be same as a class name. So it will call it as a constructor. So one statement we have saw in there. In our docs, we have seen one statement was there. What was the statement? Constructor executed while object creation process, but instance method executed after object creation process. And the second one is constructor executed only once while object creation process, but instance method can be executed any number of times after object creation process. So constructor executed only once. We will see how it will execute only once. So go to Eclipse IDE. We will take some variable here. We will print this variable. We will create one instance method also here. Simply void this. So we have created instance method here. Here also we will print a. Here we need to print the value of a. We will print this is from instance method. Which method? Display method. Which method? Display method. This is from display method. We will also print e here. So simply we can copy from here. So no need to write again and paste over here. We save. So before that also I have created the main method here. Class demo constructor. This is constructor call. and we will call this method over here. So copy dot. Now we will run this example. Right click, run as a Java application. So constructor from a download. Here what we understood, constructor executed first. So constructor executed first here. So this is the value coming from the constructor, the value of p. And after that instant method executed. Again we will see our docs. Constructor executed only once while object creation process, but instance method can be executed any number of times after object creation process. So constructor already executed. We will see it will execute again or not, and also we will see instance method. So here one statement we can see like instance method can be executed any number of times after object creation process. So we will see again we will call instance method opening. This is the method call. Copy this. Run again. Right click, run the Java application. So we can see constructor executed only once and instance method executed any number of times after execution after object creation process. So we have also seen what is the difference between parameterized constructor and we show the difference between constructor and instance method. Now what is constructor without parameter and constructor with parameters? The constructor which are declared without parameter are known as zero parameter constructor or a constructor without parameter. So this is also the example of constructor without parameter. We are not passing any value here. So any parameter here. So this is a without parameter constructor. This is also example of zero parameter constructor. So now we will see the parameterized constructor, the constructor with parameter. So again, I will create one class here. Demo constructor to main method. Okay. Here I will create a parameterized constructor with a parameter. So you learn what is constructor, how to create a constructor. We can create constructor the same as a class name. And in other words, the method name should be same as a class name. So copy this and paste here. This is constructor with a zero parameter. I will give some parameter here. So this is called a parameterized constructor. Constructor we are passing parameter na here. So this is a parameterized constructor. We will print this. We will create one instance method here. Void. We will pass the parameter here also. Now to main method here. I will use a scanner here. A scanner. System.in. Save. System dot out dot println. Enter the value of a. Int a equal to s dot next. Copy this and paste here. Now we will print. enter the value b. Now we will create the object of a constructor class. So copy this. We will pass the parameter. Here error is showing because we haven't passes any parameter here. So this is the constructor call. Constructor executed while object creation process, and constructor executed only once, and an instance method executed any number times after after object creation process. So this is the method call. Now we will run this example. We will enter the value of b 10, enter the value of b 20. So the value of a is 10 and the value of b is 20. So we can see constructor executed first. After that, instance method is executed. Now we will see constructor executed only once, and instance method executed any number of times after object creation process. So we will see the value of a is 10, and the value of b is 20. So we can see constructor executed only once here, and instance method is executed 4 times. And so this is the example of a constructor, and also I have covered the constructor related question. If you are preparing for the interview, please also cover the constructor part. And if you face any issue, you can comment me, and also you can provide the question so I can make the video for this. And if you give me the question, then I can help you well. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.